So this is the biggest picnic spot of Hathaikotor. This is Hathaikotor Eagle Fork. See, the peoples are enjoying today, and that inside there's also a picnic spots. People are enjoying, and that side also. Wow.
Wow.
Hello guys, we are watching Tripura Secret News. Today we are going to explore the beauty of Tripura. Today is the 1st January 2023. Happy New Year to everybody. Now we are crossing the road, National Highway Assam Agartala road. Now we are going to cross checkpost Tripura Forest Department. After that, we'll can able to see the beauty of the Baramura, means Hathaikotor. The Hathaikotor is one of the biggest mountain hill tracks of Tripura. Now we are crossing the checkpost, forest checkpost. And after that we are going to cross one beautiful bridge, Hathaikotor bridge, and these are the stalls, small stalls of the Hathaikotor villagers, Sinai Kami villagers. And after that, now we are entering Hathaikotor. See the signboard of Hathaikotor. Welcome to Hathaikotor. So we are going to explore Hathaikotor today on the eve of 2023, 1st January. Happy New Year. See the beauty of jungle. Beauty of the road and jungle. A lorry, a cars, the autos crossing us. Everybody enjoying. All right.
See the greenery of.
If you drink and drive, you a bloody guy. Nice.
See the greenery of Tripura.
Greenery of Tripura.
Of Hathaikotor.
Hathaikotor. The Hathaikotor was called Baramura, but few months ago, the state government changed the name of Baramura as Hathaikotor because the ancient name of the mountain was Hathaikotor. So today public are enjoying the Happy New Year by having picnics. Here you can find the spectacle monkeys, deers, bisons, and so many things at all. Hathaikotor is one of the beautifulest mountain of Tripura,
Hello.
as well as
Angkat baik
Sakangtang.
saudara. Wah ini kipil itu salam na naik nata ang. Neng boros. Boros hoy kya?